something like this, and then there's like a bolt-like thing that's threaded, and it came out, and it makes the arm like lift up. I can't really explain it, but right now it's just dangling in there. So I gotta go get another truck. No one's here to. Everyone's all out because it's a double day, Christmas week and stuff. We took a company over, so we're really busy. So I gotta go back and get myself a truck. All right, so more fun to today. It's gonna be a late day, so basically this, I don't want to get dirty. This bar right here, there's some threading on the inside, disconnected from this. So this is all loose. And now we're headed in the brand new one. So quick little thing, and then add it to the route. But brand new Bluetooth. Let's get this going. All right, it's about that time with the new truck. Let's see what we got. Put this window down a little more. Got one can across the street also. Gotta turn this PTO on. Okay. What am I doing here? Bang, bang. Flashing lights. Work lights. Oh, this thing is so nice. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna back up to that one down there. Or I'll just get it on the way back. This right turn, it's a little stiff for me, to be honest. You know, I'll get it right now. Gotta break the traffic. Alright, let's get this guy go. Move, move, move. So I remember this one, I could just put it in neutral. Just let it coast down. Truck's arm was a little bit faster, I will say, but I can't compare. This one's brand new. I couldn't reach the arm out as I was rolling up because the PTO kept shutting off when I was going over it. It looked like it was about 7 miles an hour. Backing up near a dead end or in a cul-de-sac, one of the better tricks I found is basically backing up towards a driveway, because the driveway is not going to have any mailboxes or basketball hoops usually, or anything in it, or in front of it. So if you back up acting like you're about to go into a driveway, it reduces your chance of hitting stuff. Just less workload, less bullshit. We're back where we started. This is that orange cone. That's how I know this is the one I did not pick up. It's like I never left. Don't worry, buddy. I was always coming for you. All right. We're able to pack and drive, do everything. So on this, that's close to it, I'm gonna grab it and I'm just gonna let the truck roll forward a little bit. And it gives me my separation. Oh boy, finally getting some help. It's all good. Oh, this one is done already. Finally getting some help. So we're almost done here, but I didn't have too much of the video camera because I just wanted to get this done, start working. We're really focused on it. I'm gonna pull over in a sec and send my guys a couple stops to help me out with. Well, around the holiday season, you might be wondering why your garbage takes so long to get picked up, or it's not on schedule, but most likely there's a lot of extra garbage. So much garbage that sometimes the truck has to dump 2, maybe even 3 times a day. And if there's garbage in the truck from that heavy day, then that'll mess up the load for the next day. And basically that whole week is kind of screwed up. What I suggest as a guy who's been driving for many years and deal with customer service is it's okay to overload that garbage can, as in leave the bags overflowing over the top. Obviously you can't be putting any sticks or metal in there, but it just helps out the efficiency of how the truck moves, especially if you have one of these trucks. If you have a route where 2 guys on the back pick everything up, then that's a little different. But enjoy the holiday season, be safe, and the guys worked hard all year, so hope you acknowledge that. Alright, my last street, I got a little bit of help doing the scatter stuff for me. I actually got this street and then a cul-de-sac left. But I want to finish off the video here. Always a fun day. Week of Christmas. Next week is New Year's. So you already know it's going to be more fun next week. And yeah, that's all I got. Enjoy.